Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Capitec business account. First, open your browser and search for Capitec Bank. Once you're on the site, tap on Business Banking. Click Open an account at the top right corner. Now you'll see a question. Is your business registered with CIPC? You'll have three options: private company or closed corporation, sole proprietorship, and other. For this example, I'll choose private company or closed corporation. It will then show you the requirements and the documents you'll need. Tap Get Started. In this section, tell us about your business. Choose all the options that apply. Next, you'll need to enter some information, including who owns the shares in your business, your SAID number, your business registration number, your registered business name, and your cell phone number and email address. Once you've filled everything, tick the confirmation box and then click Create Profile. And that's it. That's how to open a Capitec business account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.